Right, just going to finish off in here. I'll put the plastic sheet on the bed, which we keep just to protect the mattress protector, because it can come off and be washed. Got to fill the water tank. And now I've got to turn on the fridge. So let's do that. Fridge, water pump, fridge. Alright, this is the hard part, I tell you. This effing bed. Hey Meta, pause video. Right. Pull this right out, like so. Oh. Oh. Nightmare on Leggett Street. Or maybe it's just because I'm ADD and my ADD makes me crazy. Right, that's on, but now I've got to make it look half decent. Okie dokie, I've turned the fridge on. Now I better put the lids on. It's on eco, medium. I've got to try and remember in the morning. Alright, pretty happy with that. Now I've just got to fill the water. Alright, everything's good. Water's full. The Jack and Jerry can, the gas bottle's been swapped over. There's nothing in that box. We have leveler, bucket, step, table, power, floor sheet, awning winders, leg winder, jack winder. And on this one should be the toilet tent, the shower tent and the bed tent. So that's all primo. And she's done.